It's like to a video. Today we are making coconut bread. Mama, what do you put there?
Here.
These are all.
Yeah.
Put it right there.
There's more.
Yeah. I'm warm. Sprinkle.
And then after that, put some egg in the
Mom,
top.
this one's about to poop.
Huh?
This one's about to poop. Oh.
Wait,
This one's about to poop.
Put in here.
Oh.
And then put some this
This is
instead.
the last one.
You're not eating. So after that, this one, watch me. This is the egg, and then put some in the top. Look at me, Ted. Like this. Be careful, Jay. And then I will preheat the oven.
Wow, some egg here.
We're making pizza too. Show to them, Jed. We're making pizza too. Pizza.
Pizza. Pizza.
Okay, go.
Some jam with ready.
Okay, you're done, Ted.
I'm mixing.
No, wait, Jed.
This is a one dough Alcamusian.
Yeah, when Ted is done.
And
Put
this one was
Be careful.
too much.
No, your mouth. Jed, push your mouth. Okay, you're done.
I'm done with my poops.
Okay, this one.
I'm done with my Habiton. That does Habiton my green.
Okay, watch, mommy.
Oh, this is pooping now right now.
That's a coconut. Eh?
No, this
So
is...
like this, huh? Not too much. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Don't.
One at a time.
That was about to eat.
Sige na. Slow it.
Nice
Just a
and
little bit.
pooping.
Huh? Go.
This is
Okay, go.
pooping. Don't do that one.
Don't touch, Jill.
Don't do that one. No! I was pooping. Teddy, I was going to do that one.
Okay, let Jed to put some in this. Don't
Teddy,
push your brother, huh?
come on.
Uh-huh.
Excuse me. Okay, let me see.
Ted. Behave.
This one is always pooping.
That's coconut.
This one was about to poop.
Be careful, Ted, ha? Sige na, Jed. Ted, no,
Why is
Ted.
this one always pooping?
Hurry up, because the oven.
Why that's always pooping?
Ay, say that. Move your hand. Okay, wash your hand now. You were done. Say bye na, Ted.
Bye guys, and bye with my rocket mom, and bye bye. I can fly and all the space.